I connected my Hermes agent to current financial data, YouTube search results, web crawling, and a full research skill that scans everything from the last 30 days. And the entire setup took one single API key. No developer accounts, no OAuth flows, no separate billing dashboards for every service. The platform making this possible is called Aisa. So let me show you how you can also do this. And by the end of this video, my Hermes agent is going to generate a complete AI industry research brief on demand, run content gap research across YouTube and the web, and build an investor-style report on Nvidia with insider activity included. Then I'll show you how to put all of it on autopilot with cron jobs. So these reports land in your chat every morning without you touching anything. So first, what Aisa actually is. Most people hear one API key for every model and assume it's another model router like OpenRouter. It's not just that. Aisa does route models, and I'll get to that part. But the main thing here is the resource layer. It connects your agent to real-world data sources and services. Financial market data, SEC filings, YouTube search, web search, and crawling through Tavily and Perplexity, SEO datasets, crypto data, prediction markets like Polymarket and Kalshi, social platforms, even email inboxes built for agents. All of it sits behind one key and one bill. Here's why that matters. If you've ever tried wiring an agent into real data sources the normal way, you know the pain. You sign up for the financial data provider, manage their key, then the search provider, another key, then YouTube, another developer account, more quota rules. Every capability is its own little integration project with its own docs, its own billing, and its own rate limits. Your agent is smart, but it's basically locked in a room with no windows. Aisa's pitch is that you skip that entire layer. Let me show you what's actually available. If I go to the API section on their site, there's a full marketplace here. There's a financial API with 25 endpoints covering prices, earnings, analyst estimates, insider activity, and filings. CoinGecko with 32 endpoints for crypto data. Tavily for web search, extraction, and crawling. Perplexity for grounded answers with citations. YouTube search, a Scholar API for academic papers, Polymarket and Kalshi for prediction markets, and a massive SEO dataset through Data for SEO with over 450 endpoints on its own. And everything is pay-per-call. The price per request is printed right on each card. Most of them are fractions of a cent, so you're not stacking monthly subscriptions for 10 different services. Then there's the skills section, and this is the part I find more interesting for agent users. Skills are pre-built capabilities your agent installs with a single prompt. There's SEO keyword research, a stock research skill called Market Pulse, crypto market data, trend forecasting, multi-source search, dividend analysis, a watch list manager, and one called Last 30 Days, which builds a multi-source research brief covering the past 30 days on any topic by pulling web, news, and financial signals into one report. Each skill page has a prompt tab. You copy the prompt, paste it into your agent, and the agent configures itself. That's the whole install process, and I'll demo it in a minute. Okay, setup time. First thing you need is an Aisa account, so head over to aisa.one and sign up. Once you're in the console, go to the API keys section and click New API key. Give it a name, and here's a detail I actually like. You can set a balance cap on each key. I set mine to $30, which means even if my agent goes rogue and starts hammering endpoints at 3 in the morning, it physically cannot spend more than that. Create the key and keep this page open. We'll need it in a minute. Now for Hermes. If you don't have it installed yet, there's a one-line installer on the official Noose Research GitHub. You just run the curl command in your terminal, reload your shell, and run Hermes Doctor to confirm everything's healthy. After Hermes is up and running, copy and paste in the setup prompt from their dashboard. It basically tells the agent to read Aisa's agent quick start file and configure the APIs and skills safely. Hermes goes off, reads the documentation, and then walks you through the rest. It sets your key as an environment variable, confirms which capabilities are connected, and asks whether you want Aisa as both the model provider and the data layer. I said yes to both. To double-check it worked, I just asked, what Aisa resources are you connected to? And it listed the model gateway, the third-party APIs, and the skills. We're live. Now the fun part. actual workflows. The first one replaces something I genuinely waste time on every day, which is bouncing between news sites and feeds trying to keep up with AI. So I went to the Aisa skills page, opened the last 30 days skill, switched to the prompt tab, copied the install prompt, and pasted it straight into Hermes. That's the entire installation. The agent read the skill definition and confirmed it was ready. Then I asked it, give me a research brief on the AI coding agent's space, covering the last 30 days, model releases, funding, and anything notable. It pulled from web sources, news, and financial signals through the Aisa key, and about a minute later, I had a structured brief with the major releases, the trends, and links to sources. I spot-checked 2 of the stories against the original announcements, and both were real and current. That's my morning news routine compressed into one message. Second workflow, content research. If you make videos or write anything online, finding topic gaps is half the job. So I asked Hermes to research the AI agent's niche, pull the top YouTube videos and web results from this week, and tell me which topics are saturated and which ones have demand but not enough supply. It combined the YouTube search API with Tavuli web search, again through the same key, and came back with a breakdown. It even suggested specific video angles based on the gaps it found. This is the kind of research that normally takes me an hour with 6 tabs open. Quick word on the models before the last workflow. Aisa carries basically every major family, GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, plus nearly all the big Chinese frontier models, DeepSeek, Quinn, Kimi, GLM, Minimax, and ByteDance's seed models. And the pricing difference is honestly the story here. GLM costs around 40 cents per million input tokens through Aisa, while a Western frontier model like Opus runs several dollars for the same tokens, so you're looking at roughly a 10x gap. The Chinese models have gotten very close on quality for a lot of everyday agent tasks, so being able to switch models with a single sentence inside Hermes without changing keys or billing is a real cost lever if you run agents heavily. Last workflow, and this one's for anyone tracking the stock market. I told Hermes, build me an investor-style brief on Nvidia. Pull the price movement, latest filings, analyst estimates, insider activity, and recent news into one report. It used the financial API through Aisa and delivered a structured brief with the current price and market snapshot, fundamentals, earnings estimates, a valuation section, and my favorite part, insider activity, so you can see which executives and funds opened or closed positions recently. Quick disclaimer, none of this is financial advice, and a report like this doesn't tell you what to buy. It just puts information in one place that would normally take a paid terminal or a lot of manual digging to gather. And now the autopilot part I promised at the start. Hermes has a feature called Cron Jobs, which are scheduled tasks that run at whatever time you set. So I told Hermes, take that Nvidia investor brief workflow and turn it into a cron job that runs every day at 9 a.m. It asked whether I wanted just Nvidia or a bigger watch list. I picked the watch list, and it scheduled the whole thing. In the cron tab, I can see the job, edit the schedule, trigger it manually, or pause it. Same thing works for the last 30 days research brief and the content gap research. So every morning, before I've even opened a browser, I've got an industry brief and a market report sitting in my chat. One last thing worth checking, cost. After all these workflows, my usage logs showed exactly what each call cost, and the total was small change. Since everything's pay-per-call with a balance cap, there's no subscription stacking and no surprise bill. If you want to set this up yourself, the link to aisa.one is at the top of the description. Sign up, grab your key, and connect it to Hermes exactly like I showed. Alright, so that's it from the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.